Welcome back to CNF. As you can tell, I'm on the kayak. I'm at Taylor Reservoir and I'm gonna be doing some trolling and gonna get some pike, some trout. Let's see. Fish on. Fish on. All right. I got a little baby pike. Check that out, guys. Little baby pike. I see you, bud. Let's get this little guy. Tiny little pike. Oh, there you go, buddy. See you later. Well, but that little pike hit this little bullet lure. Got at Walmart for like $3. And yeah, it hit it fast. That's pretty nice. All right, let's see if we can get another one. Let's try to hook up again. Come on, baby. Come on, fish on, baby. Let's go. Rainbow. Oh, don't do it. Nice. Nice little rainbow, and we're keeping this guy for dinner. That's what we're gonna do. And all I'm doing is throwing around this little bullet lure. All I'm doing is throwing around this little bullet lure. I got a tiny pike, and I've got a nice little rainbow. Got some dinner. So this spot that I'm in is pretty hot. So let's just keep going. Oh, got one. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's a good one. Little fighter. He's fighting. Let's go. Good rainbow. All right, guys. We're at the second spot location here. Fishing for kokanee, mackinaw, pike, and trout. See how that does, and then we'll wrap it up for day one. You got one? Nice! Well, Tristan finally got one on the board. So that's 3-1. Everything's a competition, just so you know. And I don't play the game unless I'm playing to win. Got one. Nice. Oh, I got off. A bullet lure? gave it slack and he was able to spit it out. I didn't hold the pressure. That was my fault for losing that fish.
Did you see that? Dude! You didn't see that? That's not what you're laughing at?
No, I said, oh, I'm getting a little wet.
I was trolling and it fucking hit hard, dude, and out of my, I almost lost it.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Ooh, had a good bite.
It came off. Just had that Rapala just floating in the water. How funny is that? There he goes. Nice, got one on the troll. Oh, and he unhooked himself. Perfect. Alright. Good little one. Just a little baby trout on troll. First time on a troll.
Again. I might have to put on what you put please on. Tighten this drag. Thank you.
Is he still on?
Yeah. Oh, he's good size. Oh, that's a nice fish.
That's a really good fish. What'd you use?
I used the wormfish.
Artificial worm?
Yeah, on a fucking jig head.
And you were just reeling it in?
No.
You just leave it out there on the ground?
Well, I moved it around, but... We catch fish.
Half a pound.
No, I think the 12 inches are half a pound. I repeat, never in my life. Where's the worm? want to catch a big fish. Yeah, me too. Like, I'd even be okay with bobber down. Got him. Come on, be a good one. Come on, be a good one. He just had to get
little.
out there further. He's little?
Yeah.
He's a little fighter.
Bobbing it down.
Bobber's still down. He's fighting.
Yeah. I'm just boring him now. I catch babies, guys.
I catch babies.
Little babies.
It is a baby.
Oh, he's fighting now.
He said, oh no, people. Neighbors, people.
Oh, that's not bad. That was an instant hit. On a worm?
Yep.
I'm gonna do it actually.
Good catch. That might could do her.
How much force do I put like that for it to break? Do that and break it.
Because it's probably only like 10.
You need new line. Or
Probably like
you
10
have,
tests.
Yeah, you have 10-pound test, which means you can't pull more than about 15 pounds of pressure. 10-pound test doesn't mean you can only catch a 10-pound fish. It just means about 10 pounds of hard pressure is all you're gonna get.
Yeah, you can snap it on a smaller fish. Look, I'm going to get another one.
You can catch a 20-pound
Lucky
fish.
bobber.
Yeah, bobber's moving. Let it go down. Oh, he didn't let it go down.
go
Sorry.
down.
Sorry.
The bobber was chilling on top and he said, yeah.
He looked at us and said, sorry. I was excited. First cast. Good job, buddy.
He definitely got bit.
Yeah. Not too long ago either. I don't know if he's gonna make it. Please don't flip.
All right, thanks for watching. I had a blast. Went fishing for 3 days at Taylor Reservoir, just on the other side of Cottonwood Pass. The turnout was great, but I'm only preparing myself for the next adventure. Today is Thursday, and Saturday, my family and I, we are leaving to Texas, Lake Lyndon B. Johnson. We have an Airbnb on the lake. My son and I, we're going to be doing some fishing for about 5 days. Catfish overnight, largemouth bass, stripers. We've got kayaks, we got a boat, we got some shoreline. I'm super excited. So stay tuned for that next video, and don't forget to subscribe.